Google Maps is indeed experimenting with generative AI to enhance place discovery. This is exciting news for anyone who loves using maps to explore new areas or hidden gems. Google Maps is testing a new feature that utilizes large language models (LLMs) to understand user intent and recommend places based on their specific preferences and interests. This means you can ditch the standard keyword searches and ask natural language questions like, "Find me places with a vintage vibe in San Francisco." Or, the AI will analyze Maps' vast database of over 250 million locations and user-generated content, photos, reviews, to provide personalized suggestions. You'll get more than just names and addresses. Expect photo carousels, review summaries, and even follow-up recommendations based on your initial interests. At the end of this video, I want to say that I appreciate your likes, comments, shares, and subscriptions. Please support us by subscribing to our channel so that we can make more informative videos for you. Share, like, and add comments on this video. Thanks a lot.
Thanks for watching. For more informative videos, please subscribe our channel Web AI 360.